Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can share your Trello board with your team members. So let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to trello.com, then log in to your account using your email or Google login. Once you're in, click on Boards from the menu to view all your boards. Scroll and select the specific board that you want to share with your team. For example, let's open the HR board. At the top of the board, you'll see a Share button. Click on that. Now you'll have two ways to share your board. The first one is invite by email. Simply type the team member's email address in the field, and Trello will send them an invitation to join the board. The second one is create a shareable link. If you want a faster way, click on Create Link. Trello will generate a private link for your board. Once it's ready, click on Copy Link. You can now paste this link into any email, WhatsApp, Slack, or other messaging platform to give your team access to the board.